What is going on, awesome people of the world? Thank you so much for giving me a few moments of your time today to do some exercise, to move your body, and just feel good about what we're doing. You know, sometimes it's hard to get into these workouts. Sometimes it's hard to turn on the computer and join me for just a little bit. But now that you're here, we are going to feel so much better after we do this. We got an awesome chair yoga workout video for you today. We're going to relax our bodies, relax our mind, get a little bit of stretching and mobility in. And by the end of it, you will be feeling awesome. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, everyone, we are about to get started with that chair yoga workout. Today, I want us to start with a little bit of a shoulder opener, and that's gonna be our overhead reach. So I like starting this exercise by putting both of our hands together in our prayer position like so. And then what we're gonna do is slowly bring both of our hands up and over our head as high as we comfortably can, trying to actively straighten our arms at the top. Good, so I have my hands together like this, and then once we get to the top, we're gonna poke our head through that hole, take a big breath in, and then exhale nice and slowly, bringing that arm all the way down. And we're gonna repeat this 2 more times. So let's try to go a little bit further this time, all the way up. Remember, we want both of those hands clasped together in that prayer position all the way at the top. We don't want our hands to be coming across like this. We want them to be nice and glued together. Poking our head through that hole. Take another good deep breath in and out. Exhale. Good. Bring it down one more time. Let's go all the way up. Big reach, big reach. We're trying to go as high as we actively can, remember. So big reach to the sky. Breathing in and breathing out. Good. Go ahead and relax those shoulders a little bit. We'll give them a little bit of a rest, and we'll actually move into our hamstring stretch for this next one. So we're having our leg nice and straight, and then when we go down, we're trying to just keep that leg straight. So don't really focus too much on actually touching your toe. Just go as far down as you can while keeping your leg nice and straight, okay? So we're breathing in through this position as much as we can, breathing in, breathing out, actively reaching down as far as we comfortably can with that breath position. Go ahead and take a big breath in, big breath out. Beautiful. So we're gonna actually repeat this on the other side. Make sure we have equal balance in our legs. So reaching all the way down as far as we can. Remember, trying to keep that leg straight. The straighter the leg, the better. Because you'll notice the second you bend your leg, you're not really going to get quite as much of a stretch. So keeping that leg straight is super important. Again, focus on that good breath while we're down here. Breathing in and breathing out. Good. We're going to go ahead and sit up nice and tall. For this next one, what we're going to do is another shoulder opener. I like to put both of my hands behind my chair like this. And then we're going to start in kind of a slouched over position. So we're actually rounding our shoulders forward. And then what we're gonna do is actually undo all that stress we're creating. So we're gonna push our chest out, try to pinch our shoulder blades at the back, open up our body as much as we can, pushing those shoulders back, pushing that chest out, taking a big breath in, big breath out. Good, go ahead and find that position down again. So we're hunching our forward all the way, hunching those forwards as much as possible. And then we're trying to come back out, undoing all of it. So you're pinching those shoulders back, pushing those chests forward, and we're taking that big breath out. Good. So you should feel your shoulders open, your chest open, big breath in, big breath out. Good. Repeat one more time for me, all the way forward. Hunch those forward, hunch those shoulders forward as much as we can. And then in one big foul swoop, we're pushing both of our shoulder blades together, breathing in and breathing out. Good. Go ahead and relax those shoulders once again. Moving well, everyone. Good job, good work. For our next pose, we're going to move into our pigeon pose. So we're going to bring our leg up onto our knee like so. So my foot's up onto my knee, and I'm going to apply some light pressure down into my knee, okay? So now I'm going to bring my chest all the way down towards my torso. So I'm pushing some light pressure down on that knee. You should feel a good stretch on the back of your butt here. And we're just focusing on that breath here. So we're breathing in Breathing out nice and comfortably, nice and slowly. We're not forcing anything into this position, just allowing that stretch to take place. And beautiful. Let's go ahead and we'll repeat that on the other side. So again, with those cues, we want to bring our foot up onto our opposite knee. We're going to apply some light pressure down into our leg, and we're bringing our torso forward all the way down as far as possible. So big breath in, big breath out, trying to relax, relax, relax. Good. Go ahead and sit up nice and tall on that one and relax. Perfect. So we are doing so well so far. What we're going to move into next is a little bit more of a demanding pose. It's called a chair warrior pose. And how this one's going to involve, we're going to do both sides, but we're going to swivel our butt towards one side of the chair. So one leg is kind of hanging off the side. And then with that front leg, it's going to be bent at 90. That leg that's actually down on the ground, it's also going to be bent at 90. And then what we're going to do here, you should maybe feel a little bit of stretch towards the front of that leg as is. If you touch the ground with that leg, it's okay. But also at the same time, you don't need to force your leg down on the ground. So we're going to find a balanced position in this. And then what we're going to do with that leg that's on the ground. So right now my left leg is on the ground. I'm going to reach my same side hand, so my left side hand, and go all the way up and over my chair, okay? So this is going to be a pretty intense, pretty demanding stretch. Try to keep your core and tummy nice and tight, having that good posture as we reach all the way up, breathing in through our belly, breathing out, relaxing and exhaling. Go ahead and slowly come out of that side. And we're going to repeat on that other side. So again, remember, this one's very demanding to get into. Give it your best shot. I know you can do it. We're going to repeat on the other side. Again, remember, 90 degree with that front, 90 degree with that side. And now I'm doing my right hand up and over as my right leg is the one that's down. So a leg that's down, that's the hand that you want to bring up and over. So big reach. You should feel a good stretch through the side of your body here. And we're trying to remain upright, not hunching over, using our core to be nice and strong. Breathing in and breathing out. Beautiful. All right, good work, everyone. Okay, so since we did a little bit more of a demanding pose, we're going to do just some shoulder circles for this next one to kind of let our heart rate come down a little bit and let our bodies recover just a little bit until we get to that next pose. So shoulder circles, go ahead and start with small circles and then get nice and big circles once you get into that position. Beautiful. Go ahead and rest there. We're going to do our wrist circles next. So this is kind of the same exercise, but you're doing it with your wrists. So we're going to bring them down to our knees. And then you can actually add your fingers to this too. So you can move your fingers around a little bit. Just getting some nice blood flow through that area. All the way and relax. Good. All right. So next we're going to do our ankle twist. So this one, putting that foot forward, just getting a nice circle all the way around with that ankle. And big, nice and easy twist. Good. Go ahead and repeat on the other side. Big, big ankle twist. And again, remember, sometimes you might have a little bit of pain or discomfort with these. If there is pain, try to do a little bit smaller of a circle. There's no need to go through the pain. Ultimately, we're trying to move the joint around a little bit so we can maybe ease some of that pain. Good. Go ahead and rest. All right, everyone. So we're going to finish off today with our forward fold pose. We're going to move towards the front of that chair with our butt. We're going to cross our arms in front of our body like so. Our legs are going to be spread nice and far apart. And then what we're going to do is slowly allow our body to come all the way towards the ground. And we're going to focus on taking a big belly breath in, big belly breath out. When you're doing this one, we're trying to allow our body to be nice and heavy on the top. So you're trying to bring as much weight down as possible, allowing your back stretch out, breathing in, breathing out. Good. Let's go ahead. One more big breath in, big breath out. Slowly sit up nice and tall. We want to make sure we're not rushing this position. As you sit up, make sure you breathe. Make sure you're feeling okay. Sometimes when we sit up fast, your Blood pressure might rise too quickly, so we want to take some good breaths when we're sitting up. Make sure we're feeling okay. We are all finished with the poses, but we are going to finish with a little bit of meditation and deep breathing. So go ahead, sit back in your chair, try to relax your body and relax your arms. And then this is the wonderful time for yourself to focus on your breath, focus on your breathing, breathing in and breathing out. And remember, when we're doing this, we're not forcing anything. We are simply relaxing and letting our body and mind ease, letting ourselves be calm, as we know we don't need to force anything into these positions. Breathing in and breathing out. Beautiful. Relax your body. Feel your arms, feel your legs, your shoulders, your neck, your tummy, all the muscles around your body. Just let them be limp. Let them be hanging nice and low, not forcing anything out of place. And as we continue to feel nice and relaxed, your breath becomes more natural, your breath becomes less labored, as we focus on our breath, breathing in and breathing out. Good. Breathe in and breathe out. We don't need to focus on anything else outside of here, outside of the walls, because right now what we have here is what really matters. Our breath and our mental and physical health, that's what we're focusing on. You beat yourself up throughout the entire day. You put all these stresses on the world, on yourself. But right now, this is your time to relax and breathe nice and easy. We're going to move to a mantra practice today. Being that mantra is going to be I am relaxed, I am at ease. A mantra is something that we can repeat whenever we become stressed and anxious. So go ahead and focus on your breath and repeat that mantra with me. I am relaxed, I am at ease. As we do this, we take note that the more we think about relaxing, the more we think about being at ease, our body follows suit. Your thoughts follow your body. Remember that. Breathing in and breathing out. I am relaxed. I am at ease. And as we say those words, we notice the suffering and the anxiety that our body is creating slowly lifts off of ourselves. We feel lighter. We feel more energetic, and we feel more peaceful at all the things happening around the world. Breathe in and breathe out. I am relaxed and I am at ease. Good, you are doing excellent. Breathe in through the belly and breathe out. I am relaxed. I am at ease. Good. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel your body now. Feel your heart rate. How does everything feel? Do you feel relaxed, calm? I'm sure you notice the more you focus on being relaxed and letting all those anxieties and worries from the outside world just be put on hold, that you will feel so much better about the day. Breathe in and breathe out. Good. We're going to finish the last few moments of this meditation with that mantra. And remember, whenever we're anxious and stressed, we can always come back to these positions. We can always give ourselves some time to breathe and rest easy. Breathing in and breathing out. One last time, remind yourself that I am relaxed and I am at ease. We'll take one more breath. Slowly open our eyes back into the world. And we are all finished with our nice, relaxing, and peaceful chair yoga. Thank you so much for joining me. We're going to find you right in the wellness tip for the day just after this. this. Wow, you guys did really great during that exercise class. I know you are probably feeling so much better now that you are done with your workout. You can take on the rest of your day, and hopefully you might be a little less anxious. And that's actually going to be our wellness tip for the day. We're going to talk about anxiety and mental health. One of the things that you can do when you're anxious about any situation in your current day is to think about the things that you can control. If it's something that is out of your control, as in people's reactions to things, how they perceive things, just anything outside your thoughts, it's not something that we should actively be wasting our mental energy on. So think about the thing that you can control in the situation that is giving you anxiety, and just remind yourself that it's not worth having that attention on it, because ultimately you can't do anything about it. So hopefully you move forward through the rest of the day using this little piece of advice, and we will make sure to see you in that next exercise workout video. See ya.